Okay, we're doing a cold start on the Bronco this morning. So I'm going to push in the clutch, start the car, and let it run with the clutch disengaged. So you can see I've just started the car. It's cold and it's doing the warm-up cycle. So 1.2 on the RPM. It's 20 degrees outside, so relatively cold this morning. I'm holding in the clutch and everything sounds normal. Now I'm going to release the clutch in neutral and listen to how it sounds. Hear that sound? It's like a scraping noise. Grinding. Like tumbling rocks. I'm gonna push the clutch in again. The sound goes away immediately. Now I'll release the clutch pedal. Sound comes back immediately. Push in the clutch again. Sound disappears. One thing you can see is that if I partially engage the 6-gear synchro, the sound goes away. So something's wrong with the synchronizers on this transmission. Hopefully Ford repairs it under warranty.